This video is for individuals unfamiliar with 3D printing and design, and will walk you through how easy it is to send a design you want to a wingman near you. Watch our video, stream a one-time print to a wingman, if the object you want is not on 3D Teleprint. Let's start by creating an account at 3dteleprint.com, log in, and click the Locations tab. Find the wingman you want to send your print job to. Currently, we only have pickup options available, so please make sure you choose a location you can pick up from. Click View More to see where your print will be in the job queue, so you can see how many prints are scheduled before yours. When you find a wingman to send your product to, identify its machine name and head to the Products tab. Select the product you want, enter the wingman machine name you want, and pick a wingman. After entering the wingman machine name, please select a G-code available option for the remaining fields when it's available as seen here. If G-code is not available for your selected wingman, then select PLA for material type, select one of the available colors. This operator is made available. Select medium for print quality, as it will be more than adequate for most parts and will reduce costs. Select 20% for infill percent. Select zigzag for a resourceful infill pattern. Keep the original size. Select View Costs, where the designer's per print price is added to the operator's print bed time and show you your total cost. Select Purchase a print. Enter your payment information and go to the Print Jobs tab located under your username, or click the link. You will be able to see images of the product you ordered being created in real time when the operator starts your job, and you'll know when it's ready for pickup. When you see your print job is complete, stop by the location you chose, provide them your username, and pick up your product. Watch our video uploading designs to 3D Teleprint and setting up your wingman if you have an interest in increasing profits by going direct to consumer with streamable prints and replacement parts. Easily eliminate distribution costs and challenges, and easily bring manufacturing back in-house with wingman automation.